Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to graph your friend's eye color. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need this paper, and you're going to need either your pencil to graph, or you can get a brown, blue, green, and gray crayon to graph your friend's eye colors. Pause the video and get your materials. Welcome back. Friends, today we are going to use our eyes to look at other people's eyes. We're going to be looking at their eye color. So I have some friends. I'm going to pretend I'm walking around the classroom looking at everyone's eye color. I'm going to focus on this friend. He has brown eyes. I'm going to go to my graph with my brown crayon, and I'm going to color that. So far, one friend has brown eyes. Let's look at my next friend. Now, I'm not bothering my friends. I'm just walking around and looking at them, not talking to them. I'm only using my eyes, not my mouth, not my hands. This friend also has brown eyes. I got to color in my next spot under brown. Two friends have brown eyes. I wonder if any have blue eyes or green eyes or gray eyes. Look at this friend. She's got blue eyes. I can finally color in my one friend who has blue eyes. So far, I have two friends with brown eyes and one friend with blue eyes. I'm going to keep going until I do everyone in the class. I want to find out who has brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, and gray eyes. What color eyes do you have? Don't forget to do yourself. Have fun.